Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaiah, and today is Friday the 27th. So, yeah, yesterday I put in a sell, got eaten up right here. Well, I moved my stops to break even, but I just seen that it wasn't breaking this level right here. I kind of drew this line out last night, showing that it wasn't breaking this level. And once I seen that, and then, you know, I kind of just moved my stops to break even just because I knew that price could possibly push up from here. It was kind of creating this support level. So I knew that there was a good chance that price could just pull up from here. And it did and stopped me out. So it is what it is at this point. Um, it sucks because I had one of my biggest positions in terms of like lot size. I had a 0.15 in here. I had a 0.10 up like right here, and then I had a or 0.05 like right here, and then a 0.15 like up here. And shoulda, coulda, woulda. But let's just go ahead and get to it. I am currently looking at this trade right here for what it is. So this level that I have drawn out right here, this is actually a level that we had from, this day. You could tell I drew it out from here to here, and price never actually came up right there. So these are two levels that I had since yesterday. Now, one thing that I'm looking for, I I want to put sells in right here just so I can catch the sells. Um, but where I fucked up is I didn't see break of structure. Yesterday I seen a break of structure. I seen like a higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower than this one, lower high. I guess it's a higher high, higher low. So this is just consolidation. And one thing that I was looking at was after price broke below this low right here, I kind of thought that it was a for sure a fact that it was coming down, and it didn't. So like once I seen that this area was broken like this, it made me not take my position out right here because I thought, okay, even if it doesn't come all the way down, I think it'll come down at least to here, right, to this ILC right here, and it didn't. So at this point, it is what it is. Stopped out at break even. That's why I do it, especially when you're up like 70 pips. The only reason I didn't take the profit is because I did risk like 50 pips. So I'm trying to get better. I hear a lot of traders saying, you got to hold your trades to fruition. And that's what I've been trying to do. I've been trying to hold the trades to fruition and see what's what. Um, so we'll see what happens right here. And yeah, let's see here. It could be a small break of structure right here, but I wouldn't trust it. I think there's a lot going on right here for price to keep pushing up. So this was actually greater than right here. They're expecting negative 114. They got 100 of negative 105 billion. Personal income is down. Personal spending is up. Prelim wholesale. Yeah, there's a lot of shit going on right now today in terms of news. We had Bullard speaking. So let me see what this means. Related stories. Let's see. Core price of goods. Okay, so the Fed's preferred gauge showed inflation rose about 4.9%. In April, a sign is still elevated level nonetheless, indicated personal income and outlays. Yeah, so kind of a mixed bag right now. We shall see. Look, it looks like this thing is kind of coming our way right now, right? So we'll see what the market gives us and if it's going to allow us to take it from here. Hello, new world. Everybody there. Yeah, so we'll see what the market gives us right here. This is it. and I wanted to take the sell up here, but I'm like, be smart. Truthfully, I feel like I don't want to blame it on shit, but I feel like since like Wednesday, yeah, Wednesday and Thursday, I just haven't been myself on the charts. I got to be a little bit more clear. Um, I don't know what it is. Crazy world we're living in right now is kind of getting to me. So, we'll see what's what. I don't have this trade in, but if I did, it would look something like this. So let's see. Let's see what the market gives us. Yeah, I don't think there'll be any real break of structure until price breaks probably below this, but what I possibly see now. This is one of the golden ones right here. Consolidation, expansion, reversal, RTO, continuation down. That could definitely happen right here. Definitely, definitely, definitely happen. So we'll see. This could be huge, right? Um, There's going to be a real area right here if price pushes back up. Because now that I look at it, it could definitely be this consolidation, expansion, reversal, RTO, continuation down. I think that's a strong possibility today. So we'll see. We'll see what the market gives us. See if we're on top. And yeah, let's see. It could push down from here. Use the 5 minute as resistance. We'll see. See what comes to us first. Looks like it definitely wants to come down. Like from here. Let's see. See if we can get this little return Got about 5 minutes till open now, so let's see. Hello, new world, all the boys and girls. I actually want to see something real quick. Zillow. Um, I've been looking for a house, looking out houses, but I know this market is way too expensive for me, especially out here in Southern California. And but I did get a email, got an email from one of the houses that I liked, that essentially prices are dropping. It went from 1.2 million to 1.1, 1.130,000, so a $70,000 drop, which is pretty big, right? Considering. So we'll see right now. Yeah, that shit did drop. That's crazy. I think we could see this retracement up, but we got to be careful because it could just blow through here, right? This is a very small break of structure on the 1 minute time frame. It's not even here on the 5 minute, really, So just be mindful of that. If I were you guys, I wouldn't take this trade because it's kind of a risk for me. I don't know why I'm stuck in sell mode right now, but I would advise you guys not to take the sell down. But um, just to give you again the reason why I am, is because I see consolidation, expansion, reversal, possible RTO. So depending on what happens right here, I think we could see price blow through this low and possibly through this low, right? Break the support level right here and then push back up, RTO, and then come down. So that's a real possibility. Um, so we'll see what the market gives us. It could be a bad trade all around. It's a risky trade because it only broke structure on the 1 minute, 3 minute. Usually I want to see a break of structure on the 15 minute, the 5 minute at least. So just be mindful of that. Got about a minute till open. Let's see. Lonely world, all the boys and girls. There's a big engulfing candle right here on the 5 minute. So as stated, it's a risky trade. A lot of momentum to the upside still. Let's see. I haven't put anything in yet. Just put in a trade. Oh shit. I don't know if I like that so early in the candle. Damn, it's a little too early in the candle. It might push up on us. Uh, I got in at 420, so I'm up about 16 pips. See if it can stay that way though. There's still 41 seconds, so it could fly up on us right now. Yeah, look at that. I don't like that. I don't like that finish at all. Just stopped me out at break even. Fuck. I might enter another position. Might enter another one, but let's see. Because this area is pretty big, right? I might enter it. Stop me out already at break. Well, I lost like $8, but yeah, look at that shit. Might enter if it gives me the opportunity. Actually, I probably should just put in a buy. Because this shit is flying. I expected at least a retracement to this area. Should I put in a buy? Um, Damn, can't believe that shit stopped me out that quick. Yeah, and you can see the way the 15-minute finish, I guess it did show just the momentum was pulling. Damn. Yeah, this shit's just filling everything right here. You see, there's another sell-off area right here, but I don't even think I want to do it. Price is just flying right now. Damn. And then lost $8 on that trade too. That thing is flying still. You can see it touch that area, kinda. But when you go to the what's the 15-minute? See, it's kind of rejecting that. Yeah, I hate it. Yeah, honestly, I'm, it's weird that price isn't retracing at all. Like we're not seeing any retracements, right? After it broke through here, no retracement since. This ain't a retracement. This is like a 20% retracement. Hit that sell area, but I don't want to go against the trend. Uh, Trend is your friend. That's what they say. And I don't want to put a buy right here in the sell area, and then we see the retracement. You don't want to be the guy who puts it in right here. That yeah, I guess you could. It's not bad. 90 pips, yeah, that's kind of bad. In terms of like your stop loss, that's kind of where it would need to be. So I wouldn't put in the buy right here. Even though it could, I got a key area right here at 466. But should I? Of course it goes now. I had to wait for that area, huh? Of course it sells from this area. Yeah, I feel like ever since Wednesday, I haven't been on the charts the same. I think I might have to go for some runs and stay off the charts this weekend. I might put a sell in. Mm, All the boys and girls. Manifesting. Uh, I think this thing is going for a break of structure, a real break of structure to the upside. We'll see though. Uh, yeah, it looks like it's going to continue to push up. I think what it's trying to do is break. For sure coming up to at least here, but I think it might be trying to break this high right here. Break the high, fly down. Hello, new world, all the boys and girls. It's funny, I got these levels set up here too. 491, 466, 396. Got these levels set up on my MT4. I don't have any trades in right now. Like I said, I had to sell in, broke even, well, lost $8, and then what do you call it? Really, I like to buy, but now this thing is just flying, so I don't know if it's gonna stop. Yeah, I have in my rules, these big rules, the trend is your friend. Do not go against the trend. So try not to do that. But lesson learned, I can't risk, even though I've seen trades be taken off of breaker structures on the 1 minute. I've seen price respect breaker structures on the 1 minute before. It's not common. So that's where I got to be mindful of that. Just because I've seen it done before, how many times? What's more common? What's more likely? You know what I mean? So, yeah, I think this shit just might keep flying. But we'll see. This is a big area because if it doesn't break this, then I think we're probably still in the bear pattern, right? Is kind of what I'm seeing. Obviously, a broke structure here, right? But I think these lows were broken, right? So one thing that can't happen is these highs to be broken, my opinion. So we'll see right now. We're getting to a key psych level too at like 12,500. So these are all key levels, right? 12,500 is coming up pretty soon. Where's that, right? And right here, it's touching it. So we shall see. I was kind of respecting it, but we'll see. I don't think. I mean, we'll see. I think it's going for that breaker structure. We didn't see, I didn't see the retracement that I'd like to see to enter the buy, but yeah, just hit 500. So we'll see if it does any reactions to it to like come down. There you go. See if we could get in real quick. Don't take this trade, guys. Don't take it. It's a risk, a high risk trade. I just entered, but please be mindful. Like, I'm gonna move my stops to break even like now. I'm in at 488, and I've already moved my stops to break even. And if it comes in and takes me out, then it's just not meant to be. A lot of pull to the upside still. The only reason I took this trade, key level, we've taken a bunch of sells off of it last week, and key psych level 12,500 was hit. Engulfing candle. So those are the three confirmations I used to take this trade, but we're still in an uptrend. So at any point in time, price could go ahead and pull us out or fly up on us. That's why, I move my stops to break even pretty quickly. So let's see. It could just push up from here, right? And stop me out. We'll see. Only up about 8 pips. Like a bullish engulfing candle in a downtrend. That's when you'll see that prices like they don't matter so much, right? But when you see a bullish engulfing candle and an uptrend and you have a sell-in, well, that's something to be worried about. So I had to learn that, through, mistakes and pulling trades out thinking, oh, it's engulfing, it's going to come back up. But that's really, it depends on the market that you're in, the trend that you're in. Is it an uptrend, a downtrend, bear market, bull market? Where are we at, you know? So that's the biggest thing. Up about 18 pips. About 33 pips. That's about right. Try to let's see here. Stops are at break even already. That's what happens when you put it on the 1 minute. Oh, really? Look at it flying up, probably about to stop us out. And that's why I say like it's just really dependent on what type of market you're in. I'm still holding. Stops are at break even. I don't want to keep over trading either with this. So I'm gonna try my best to not trade after this position if it does push up on us. Fucking thing is still going. What the fuck? It's giant. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna run back up on us. Let's see. See how it's respecting the 20 EMA? The 1 minute here, using it as a support level. It could fly up on us right here, but let's see. See how many pips I'm up again. 10 pips now. 12 pips. 10 pips. 8, 7. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna fly back up on us. I'm gonna just secure at least $10. Make my money back that I lost. And yep, it's going back to us. Damn. Stop me out. And I want to see bigger retracements to really enter these buys, but I think the buy is the move possibly. But I just don't want to do it in these sell-off areas. That's what I'm worried about. Looks like it's going to continue up the way that it finished. So I think we will see a continuation to the upside. But like I said, I just don't want to put buys in these sell zones. Even though I've been wrong, right? This time with this area, now this time with this area. So like I said, it's key psych level 500. So we'll see. Yeah, it definitely looks like it's pushing up. I've been stopped out already. I already got stopped out at break even. Thinking about putting in a buy, but like I said, I just don't want to do it right here, especially. Still rejecting this 500 zone. Remember, these are higher highs and higher lows. The trend is definitely an uptrend. Never good to go against the trend. But I do like what it formed, that little M right there. Mm, yeah, it's got a lot of pull to the upside. I'm not in any trades. I'm just watching right now. I already got stopped out at break even. So I'm just watching. I guess I should move this, huh? Yeah, it definitely has that push to the upside still, where it's getting pulled to the upside, I should say. Looks like it really might break that high and kind of, in my opinion, maybe flip the the overall dynamic. Whoa, 12,500 area. Look at that. So like the sellers are in there. They see probably what we see, and I mean they're there. But I think it still looks like it's gonna push up, even on the 5 minute. 15 minute could come down. I didn't notice the rejection right there on the 15 minute. Hmm, pretty engulfing right there. No trades in yet. You know what I think it might be doing is waiting. At 7 o'clock, we have, what is it again? Revised UOM, University of Michigan, composite index based on surveyed consumers, greater than is better. No, well, it's flying up now, but I, I think that's what it might be waiting for. We're about 5 minutes away from that. You can see this area, 500 zone is just getting stopped right in its tracks. But it looks like it should continue up. We'll see right now though. This turns bearish and comes down, or stays bullish and continues to push up. The one thing I see is that all these candles are kind of just wicking off and respecting the 20 EMA right here. All right. So we haven't even seen it break that yet. And it looks like it's gonna fly. Oh yeah, look at. Oh, uh, 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 uh. Yeah, I think it's out of here. But again, I don't want to put buyers in the sell-off area. Oh yeah, that thing's out of here. Man, I might just put a buy up in this bitch. Now that it's broken out of there. Let's see though. You know what? Trade's been missed. Prices just flying up. Retracements are small. I think I'm gonna just stay away because I'm up like $2, $3 for the day. But yeah, I think I'm buying unnecessarily right now. I mean, not buying. Sitting here unnecessarily right now. Um, Thinking about buys and sells and looking at the charts. But the truth is, I don't have any confirmations the way I trade. You know, yeah, yeah. You know what? I guess we'll go ahead and hop off. I don't know what got into me. Wednesday, Thursday, or even today. Should have been putting in buys. 'Cause if I would have put in a buy right here instead of a sell, we'd be done for the day. I'd probably hop out of the trade already. 48 pips. Probably hop out right there. Gonna take the stop loss right there. 20 pips, 1 to 3. Could have did something like that, right? But I didn't. So I think this was the only opportunity we had for a trade, and I missed it. Hmm. Tap that area. Yeah, man, I can't wait to get to these motherfucking levels, man. This dude, Alex Santi, this dude's over here making what 100 lots. That's like 10,000 a lot, I think, on gold, or 10,000 a pit on gold. That's crazy. On 80 pips, this dude's making 64,000. I'm sure that's after like commission and shit. Sheesh. 65K. That was made like 700,000 this week. And I mean, I don't say that to be jealous. I say that because that shit inspires the shit out of me. Yeah, you're gonna be on. It's only a matter of time, guys. Whoever's on here. Is anybody on here? Um, Man, that's the shit that gets me. I'm like, man, oh man. I appreciate you guys for hopping on with me today. We'll be back Monday. Thank you.